Why 2026 could be the best year to invest in Oklahoma City. The city has always been a market that surprises people with affordability and it's steady growth. But 2026 feels a little bit different already. We're now not just watching the growth, we are living it. There are so many expansions. This week we are starting a $9 million expansion to Uptown 23rd Street. Edmond is getting a whole new shopping center with a Whole Foods and a Texas Roadhouse. 5 or 6 different restaurants and shops are going in over on Covell and I-35. Also, Edmond is getting another YMCA. This will be the 3rd YMCA for the Edmond community. We're very excited about all these developments that's happening to the OKC area. Downtown, we're putting in the new Thunder Stadium. That has already started, and the new soccer complex. So buyers are getting really creative this year with the rising rates still influencing their budgets. They're really having to pull back and redefine what the must-haves are that they actually need. They are not really chasing the largest house on the block. They are really prioritizing layouts. I'm seeing that a lot. Really low maintenance and proximity to work is key. Also, people are still loving outdoor space more now than ever. And the weather has been fantastic in Oklahoma City. So this is no surprise here. Some houses that have all of these key things are still selling within days. They are flying off the market. And we're still seeing that suburban shift where communities like Edmond and Deer Creek or Nichols Hills are not just popular, they're commanding buyers' attention. Even some of the historical areas like Crown Heights are really seeing a huge influx of buyers. When a house comes up, it is snatched because inventory is limited and people know that those zip codes are premier prime real estate that a lot of people are looking at. And it's really not just about the schools anymore. Have access to amenities, lifestyle, and that community feel that people are starting to prioritize now more than ever. But I'm seeing investors that are finding new angles. OKC hasn't become a hot market in the traditional sense, but that is exactly why investors are here. There's a really low entry to price, predictable rent rates, which means returns that make sense for investors. 2026 is seeing smart capital flow into duplexes and triplexes and smaller multifamily properties. It's a go big? No. Go smart. Sellers are smarter about their timing. Gone are the days when spring is the only time to sell. Year-round demands and fewer seasonal swings. Sellers who price right and stage well are having strong showings in the months that are not typical high season selling months. What does this mean if you're reading in and you are wanting to be a buyer and seller in Oklahoma City? For buyers, you need to be prepared. Know your market, know your budget, and know your priorities. When the right home hits, make the decision fast. Sellers, it's not about perfection. It's really all about presentation at this point. Small little upgrades, staging, and strategic pricing. Get offers before the headlines. 2026 isn't a repeat of the last few years. It is a brand new chapter for Oklahoma City, and I am here for it. And OKC, full of opportunities for anyone who's ready to think differently about real estate. If you want a breakdown of the hottest neighborhoods or pricing trends this month, just ask or drop a comment below, and I'll try to reply to all of them.